Hello?
Hello, what's the address of your emergency?
Moss Street, apartment 1. Yeah,
Okay, do you need police or medics there?
police.
Okay, what's going on?
There's a homeless person that's like under, like we live at the top apartment, which is 7, and I think it's they're banging on the apartment right below us, and they've been yelling for the past 2 hours.
Okay. All right, looks like that we do have a call in for that.
Yeah, he's been like, getting louder and louder, and he's just been banging on the doors, and it's just been going on for a long time. It's making one of my friends feel unsafe. She's trying to leave. She can't even leave to go do what she needs to do, so we're kind of just stuck here because, like, we don't want to go outside and create a problem or anything. We don't want them to, like, approach us, so we're just, like, here waiting.
And so what is he doing? You said he's knocking on people's doors?
Yeah, he's knocking on my friend's neighbor's door downstairs. Now he's upstairs right in front of our door. Not our door, but like across from our door. And knocking, hello, hello, you're in the house, hello, hello, open the door, or something like that. And he's just being really annoying, disturbing the neighbors and everything. Everyone's looking at him through their windows.
Hey, back up, man, back up.
Chula Vista
Back
Police.
the fuck up.
Chula Vista Police.
Back the fuck up, man. Back up.
Chula
Back
Vista
up.
Police.
Back up.
Let me see your
Back
hands.
up. Back up.
Let me see your hands.
Don't shoot me, man.
Chula
Back
Vista
up.
Police.
Back the fuck up, man.
Come out from behind
Back
there.
up.
Come out from behind
Back
there.
up.
Come out from behind
Back
there.
up, sir. Back up, please.
Come
Now.
out from behind there.
Back up, sir, please.
Come out from behind
Back up,
there.
sir, please. Back up. Sir, back up. Back up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Back up. Yes or no? Don't fucking do it, man. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Watch your help here. Give us
Back
that. Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife now! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife now! Drop the knife! Drop the knife now!
That's a nice situation! He escalated the situation!
Get out of here now.
Back up!
Now. Get the back up. De-escalate.
Dude, back up!
Back up.
Drop the knife!
Back up!
Drop the knife!
Stop!
Drop the knife!
Back up, you guys!
Drop the knife!
No.
Drop the knife!
No. No, bro. Back up.
Drop the knife!
I'm gonna cut his throat back
Drop the
up.
knife!
Back up!
Drop the knife now!
Stop!
Drop the knife now! Drop the knife! Drop the knife now! You're gonna get shot!
Back the fuck
Drop the
up.
knife! Drop the knife!
Dude, back
Drop
up!
the knife!
Go around the corner! Please,
Drop the
dude.
knife!
Go back.
Go back!
Drop the
Please,
knife.
go back!
Drop the knife!
Go back.
Please, just go
Drop
back!
the knife
Go
now!
back now.
Drop the
Go
knife!
back now.
Drop the knife!
Go back!
Drop the knife!
Go around the corner!
Get out of here.
We need somebody with
No.
a canine over here. We have a subject being held hostage with a knife.
You guys need to go back there, around the corner, and give
Drop the
him a
knife!
chance to split up.
Drop the knife!
Make a run for it.
Drop the knife!
Get the fuck out of here now.
Drop the
Just
knife!
move.
Bro.
I'm gonna get killed over this.
Drop the knife!
Dude,
Drop the knife!
Back up.
Back up now.
West corner of the
Now.
complex.
Now.
Drop the knife!
Back up now.
Drop the knife!
Back the fuck up now. Now.
Drop the knife!
Back up now.
Drop the knife!
Back up now.
We can't because you have a knife to his neck. Drop the knife!
Get up.
Drop the knife!
Back up now. Back the fuck up now.
Drop the knife!
Back up now. Man.
Drop the knife! This is as far as I'm going. Drop the knife!
You're gonna have to go back.
Drop the knife!
Go back further.
Drop the knife!
Go back further.
Drop the knife!
Go back further
Drop
now.
the knife! What is your name?
My father's gonna see the fuck out of this
What is your
apartment.
name?
Get the fuck back.
What is your name? Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Drop the knife.
Chula Vista Police!
Back up.
Drop the knife!
Back up.
We're right here. He's got a knife to the guy's neck. Drop the knife. We're not going any further. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. We're not going any further. Drop the knife. Yes, it's up to his neck. Drop the knife now. Drop the knife now. We're not going any further. Drop the knife.
You're gonna have to, man.
Drop the
Get the
knife.
fuck out of here.
Drop
Just
the
go.
knife.
Please.
Get pepper ball. Get pepper
No,
ball.
you guys are not gonna.
Get
you're not
pepper
lucky.
ball. Drop the
It's on his
knife.
throat. It's on his jugular.
I'm not joking.
Back up now.
You're not that good of a shot.
Back up
Back
now.
up.
Drop the knife now.
Up.
Drop the knife now.
Up.
Drop the knife.
Dude, just he's not
Drop
listening
the
to that.
knife.
Now.
Just
Back up
please.
now.
We can't now that we're
Back the
here.
fuck up now.
Drop
Back
the knife.
up.
I'm gonna cut him and I'm gonna stab your dog to death. Back up.
Just back up, please.
Drop the knife.
Back up.
Dude, I didn't do anything to deserve this.
Back the fuck up now.
Back up.
That's his throat?
Now.
Drop the knife. I don't know.
Now.
He has it to his knife.
Now. Back up now, guys.
Please, will you be back up?
Listen,
Get
we
the
can't
fuck
back
back.
off. The fact that you have that knife in his throat scares us.
Right.
It doesn't matter.
It's the fact that he's gonna get killed in the result.
Hey, by law, we can get inside this apartment from the
And
outside.
nobody will get killed.
You're gonna
Can
kill
we?
him.
I can't hear you, Fawn.
Dude, stop.
Can we or not? Can we get in that apartment from the outside?
Give
Give
me
us
a
a chance. Give us a
What do you
chance
need
to
a
back
chance
up.
Who gets
Hey,
to see you?
take my space.
Back up.
I got you. Taking over. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. You wanna go?
I'm telling you right now. If you don't back
He's a
up,
CEO
it's
of
over.
McDonald's.
Look, the gun's down. The gun's down.
Back up. All you
Back
got.
up.
You're around the corner now.
He doesn't feel safe.
Please don't let this thing go through this door. dog.
Listen, the gun's down, bro. Just talk to my partner, okay?
Stop aiming at me.
On me.
Back up now.
Stop.
Back up now.
On. No, to the left. I want him to open the door.
Back up, motherfucker. Now.
I'm not holding.
Now. Back over there.
I'm not holding.
Now. Back over there.
Stand by.
Hey, has anybody got it out? Has anybody got it out?
Yes, okay.